Yesterday, I was quite disappointed. As you're aware, that there was an expert committee that had made a report and come out with a report on the reservation issue. And based on the demands that were given by the opposition on the floor of the House, that an all-party meeting should be called to further discuss the report and deliberate on further actions that should be taken. I had called a meeting yesterday of all the political parties. But sadly, while all the other political parties attended, one political party who in the beginning had raised this issue and tried to show to the region and the people that they are very, very concerned about this issue and that they will fight for this issue to the last breath. And yesterday, I received a letter from them saying that they have other pressing issues because of which they can't come for this particular issue. Friends, as we say in English, we have to walk the talk. And as I said in the beginning, it is not just our words, it is our deeds that matter. If you love your people and if you love your land, show it in action. Show it democratically. And show it constitutionally. The government is here to serve the people. Friends, the last 8 years have not been easy for us. There is no one single issue that was there for the last 50 years that previous governments could not, with due respect, were not able to touch or resolve. But it is this MPP-led government that took the decisions, difficult decisions, took up the challenge, put the people in front.